Okay, Lowe's 2851. This is customer Carre. It's C-A-R-R-E. This is a parish, and we're doing a detail video on the actual buildup of the cabinets and also some issues that we had with the original measure. This was a plumbing level contractor that Lowe's assigned to us to finish. And so we had some measurement changes that happened as we were installing the cabinets. And as you can see right here, this was the cabinet plan that we have, and there's 9.5 inches of space. This measurement from that wall to the face of this wall is 86.5 inches. Well, if you take a look at the original drawing, the other contractor had stated 77 inches was what the actual measurement was. Now, a couple things to show you here. First of all, the floor. See the reference here, where it's touching at the top and it's out of plumb at the bottom. The floor runs about 1.25 inches out of level in that direction. So the opening that we had here had a panel just like this one over here on this side as well. So we had a 3-inch panel here, a 36-inch cabinet, and a 3-inch panel. This refrigerator was not going to fit in that opening without it being 39 inches wide. And like I said again, you've got baseboard moldings here. And so the decision made was to cut this panel down to give this refrigerator extra room. Plus, it's a 36-inch refrigerator with big bulged out sides. It wouldn't have fit easily anyway in the 36-inch space. It would have scrubbed. So we made that decision at the installation date with Karen at the store to make sure that that would fit in the opening. Now, behind here, you actually have a water line. See that right there? That's a copper line. That's about 14 inches out of the corner. And the center of that plug is about 18 inches out of the corner. So this was where the refrigerator was in the original house, okay? It's just that this refrigerator is much larger than the original refrigerator. So I'm gonna push this back in the hole. That way you can see what the customer's concern is. When I pull this all the way over to this side, and I'm not Superman, that's just an empty refrigerator. You can see now it's touching at the top on the wood. That's a plumbing level panel, and that's almost that's 3/4 inch quarter round, so that's almost 1 inch out of level from one left. Well, here's the customer's issue right here. See the spacing? When I open up this door, they don't like it that it touches the wall, that it actually comes in contact with the wall. Well, for this thing to open all the way up is going to take about 42 to 48 inches of space if it's going to be against that wall. So you're going to have a foot of space here that isn't going to have anything at all there if you want that door to open past this. Now, if you take a look, all of the crispers pull out, fully accessible, but they cannot be removed easily. That's what the customer's issue is. It can't be removed easily as far as getting it inside and out. The functional ice maker, no problem. Ice maker works, can get into the bin. Everything works on that, but they don't want it touching the left-hand wall. So this wall measurement I've given you two has an electrical outlet here and a cable box. I'm giving you measurements to the center of those, but it is 39 inches from the edge of this cable box with a plate cover to that corner. So that being said, if you can imagine taking this space and putting the refrigerator here and swapping those to the other side, okay, just move them over, repairing the floor that's under here where the fridge is going to be, the whole layout then would be up against this wall. And this wall is only 32 inches deep. It is 32 inches deep to right there. So the door of this one would open past the wall, no problem. See that? It would open past the wall and it would not hit the left-hand wall like you're doing now. Of course, it's up against the other side. Just food for thought. We do have an electrical outlet down here. Of course, you can just put a plate cover on that and it'd be hidden by the side of the refrigerator. Don't know why that's there. But that could be a choice with this one, if we're reworking this, to put the refrigerator to this side, move the water line to this side, and to flip this design to where the cabinets and stuff lay out this way. Now, customers wanting a pantry and they're wanting some other things in this layout, That's not on our original design. So that's up to the store management and everyone to take care of on that. But that's a working solution for this side. Now over here on this side, we've got a 12-inch cabinet, 30, microwave fits here. On this microwave, if you look, we've got cut in here, that needs a cover. There wasn't one provided. And then there is a cut in there. That cut in that cabinet is actually